magnificent magnets, we have many permanent magnets we can play and explore with. But what if we could make our own magnet? That is why I'm in Makespace in Muse Knoxville, where we like to take everyday objects and make them into something new. What items from the kit do you predict we could turn into a temporary magnet? This large paperclip, I know, is made of either iron, steel, nickel, or cobalt, because it is attracted to the magnets in the kits. This paperclip itself, though, is not a magnet, so let's turn it into one. So we are ready to test the paperclip once we turn it into a magnet. Set up your white paper with a sprinkle of iron filings on top. Hold the paperclip by one end. Then hold a magnet in your other hand. Bring one end of the magnet to the paperclip at the point where you are holding it, and slide the magnet away from you along the paperclip. Move the magnet away from your paperclip when you reach the end, and repeat the process several times. Be sure that you only move the magnet along the paperclip in one direction away from your hand. Remember from the first video, to make the paperclip magnetic, we need to line the paperclip's atoms up in one direction. Once you have slid the magnet across the paperclip several times, it should now be magnetic. Do you think the paperclip will be able to attract the iron filings? Let's test it out. Just as magnets can be created, they can also be destroyed or demagnetized. Can you think of how you could demagnetize the paperclip? There are several ways that will work. Try rubbing the paperclip with a magnet in the opposite direction. And then try to lift some of the iron filings. Did that work? Banging the paperclip on the table will also demagnetize it. Each time you hit the paperclip on the table, you move some of the electrons out of line. Try picking up the iron filings now. This is why it's important not to drop or bang the permanent magnets. Each time you do, they become a little bit weaker. Heat will destroy a magnet as well. Try leaving the magnetized paperclip outside in the hot sun. What about when magnets break? Ask an adult to help you try to gently break the paperclip. Is each piece still a magnet? Can they attract the iron filings? They can. When a magnet breaks, you are making more magnets. They multiply. I have a horseshoe magnet that was broken when it fell off a table. This side of the horseshoe was the north pole of the magnet. Now that it's broken, I have a new north pole for the larger part of the horseshoe, and a new south pole for the broken piece. I can test this on a magnet labeled north and south to see if the poles attract their opposite pole. Let me show you why multiplying magnets works with Legos. Legos have a side with raised dots and a side with holes, like a north and a south pole. You can see how the opposites fit together. If you reverse them so the same sides are trying to connect, they will not fit together. If you gently break one into two pieces, you will still have opposite sides. It is the same with magnets. So take care of the magnets in the kit, because you will not be able to remagnetize or repair the magnets at home. In the next segment, we will explore how to create a compass. Continue on to the next video when you are ready.